Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix that your SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini keep disconnecting. So firstly I recommend to open SHOKZ application. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see the same menu, and right here at the bottom we have a multipoint pairing. Enter here and disable it if you have it enabled, because dual connection, you may have connection instability with this dual connection. Sometimes it happened, so firstly to disable it. If it didn't help you, next step I recommended to perform a soft reset. So firstly we need to turn off these headphones, and at the bottom of the right headphone we have a power button. Press and hold until you will see the red LED light. We just turn off them, and then we need to turn on them. So press and hold again at the power button until you will see blue LED light. Here we go, we just turn on them, and they should reconnect to your phone. And then check is it fixed. If it doesn't, next step I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to also turn off these headphones. So press and hold power button. Then we need to enter pairing mode. So you need to press and hold power button until you will see that the LED lights start blinking blue and red. Here we go, and now press and hold at the same time volume down, volume up and multifunctional button until you will see that the LED light turn off, and you will also hear a sound. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect them with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and we need to tap on them. And we did it. Also, I have the last option for you is to reset Bluetooth settings, but once we did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And firstly, I will show you how to do this on iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path to these settings. So, on your iPhone, you need to open Settings and then go to the General. Now, scroll down, and at the bottom we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. Enter here and click Reset. And we need to select Reset Network Settings. We haven't reset Bluetooth settings here, and it located inside the network settings. So, click here and write your password. Then click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings. And then go to the System. So we need to scroll down. Click on the System. And scroll down again. Right here at the bottom we have Reset Options. Click on it, and we need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then click Reset. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!